Hello. A very good morning to everyone. Thank you so much for joining us here. Okay. I always dreamed of of this moment that we'll be having a gala team meeting and we'll be discussing about our success, because we always I always think of the success in my mind. That we have achieved so much, but I have never got the time to talk about this thing with people, especially our people. It was not started yesterday. It has taken a lot of time to come here where we are right now, and it has happened because of good team members who are sitting right now in front of me. So please, a round of applause for all of you. Thank you so much. See, the meaning of AGM is that we discuss about the success, the failure, and the challenges, and the future which we are going to do in the coming year. We didn't had this kind of meeting in last 10 years, and this 11th year we are going to discuss and try to cover all of the points which we wanted to discuss in the last 10 years. So my focus will be to talk about the last 10 years and give you a quick recap about the 11th year which is going on right now. Okay, what we have done and what we have not. Also the plan for the next new chapter. As Shubham has rightly mentioned, that this is not the end, this is just a beginning. Okay, time is just a number, right? And we always see the growth and the success and also the failure, and it's not the stoppage. So we need to keep move on, because time doesn't stop for anyone, so why should we, right? And then what our role in it for all of us, because I can't do this thing of my own. Okay, I need somebody I can rely on, and I believe everybody in this room can be in my position, in my shoe, and take care of things which I'm doing right now. It will just need some kind of commitment, dedication, and also a belief in yourself, because you can do that. You're not the person who's sitting in behind. Okay, you should be the person who will be sitting, standing right here in my place. And it doesn't have to be, you don't have to wait for next 10 years. You can do it in 1 year itself. It all depends how you believe in yourself. Okay. It was not like we got this success at one go itself. And the story didn't started, that I had 10 rupees and I came here and I become rich. No, it didn't start like that. I was well established. I was working in a bank. I was very comfortable in my comfort zone in Kolkata. And I had no intention to come to Delhi. I never thought of it. Okay. But one day what happened when I saw that, I designed something and, it was very creative and people really liked it. So I thought, what I'm doing here? If I'm working really hard, I can work for myself too. And why not, give it a try. It was very early age, because I believe I was 25, I believe. And I thought, give it a try. I did my best. So the first year I left my job, well-paid job, because that time I was getting around 35,000, which was too much. Believe me, in a place like Kolkata, we can survive only in 5,000. So 30,000 was enough for me. Okay, and I was about to get promoted as a manager. So I left my job and I started with this business by myself without having any single idea. I tried the local market, it didn't work. Believe me, it's never going to work, because you have to sell yourself, right? And then you have to chase people for the money. And within this period of time only, you'll have to work on the projects also. And especially on those projects for which you don't have any idea. Because in that time, I was not aware of WordPress. I had no idea about it. I hardly knew HTML. And the way I used to do it, I used to just copy the template and, just go inside and change the text. That's how I used to publish the websites. But it was a very wrong thing. And that made me understand that you can start something, but without having a prior knowledge about it, or having some field knowledge about it. If you start something, it's a very risky thing. You might succeed and you might fail as well. The failure chances are very high. So that in that case, I learned that whenever you're doing something, you need to make sure that you learn about those things, you work out there, and then you can move ahead with the business. So it was the beginning, then we had struggle, then we had success. Yeah, I got the success. I got a very big project, and I had no idea how to hire people to complete those projects. So what I did, I'll tell you openly, I got a project for 1 lakh, which was too much for me. A guy who was earning 35,000, and he suddenly got a project for 1 lakh, was too much. So I hired people, and I promised them that I'll give them 90,000 rupees, because I was thinking I can earn 10,000. This was a very bad idea. You can't invest all your money or to the people, because you have to keep the money with yourself as well. So that was the first time I learned that don't give away the money right away. Make sure that whoever is working for that, they earn for it. And you need to test them out first. You just can't, rely on anyone. It's not that you don't trust the people. You'll have to give them a chance to prove yourself. Okay, the way you are proving yourself right now.
Yeah.
So yeah, these were the learning, and when I saw that I have to work somewhere to make sure that I'm starting really good, I left my entire stuff and I was just got married. I came to Delhi, okay, and joined a firm where I met Shahbaz and Devesh, who are sitting right here right now in front of me, and we were co-worker, okay. I was appointed as a marketing manager and I was very happy. Finally, I became a manager, okay. And I didn't notice that the marketing is there. Okay, so when you're a marketing manager or director or anyone, you're just a guy who's selling stuff. It doesn't matter what post you are in, you'll have to sell stuff. If you don't sell stuff, you'll be kicked out. Okay? And I told one of the guy what you're doing. He said that I'm a marketing executive. I said, okay, he must be under me only. And I asked him, how much you earning? He said, I'm earning around 40,000 rupees. And I was shocked because I was earning 25,000 only. So, and I was a manager. So I thought I'd be in a team, but I didn't. But during that period, I worked almost 7 to 8 months in that company. The thing which I learned was that what you should not do in your life, because there are companies, who charge really high to their clients, who don't treat their people really well, who don't understand the concept of the business. Okay, so I understand a lot. I learned a lot, and then I started again. So when I started, it happened something like this, 2009, it was just a dream. I was trying to impress a girl, okay, and for that I opened the company. Didn't work out. She was into someone else, and that's fine. Okay, but we started. Okay, anyhow we started. We made a small dream, and I don't know how I used Photoshop and copy and paste it. Instead of putting my name, I put her name, and whatever money I get out during that time, I don't remember. I think 2,000 rupees. I kept it with her only. Just trying to impress her, but I didn't get that money also. That was a bad idea. But anyhow, I'm thankful to her because of her, thing got started. It got kicked out. The idea of Dreamflexion gone at that time. So I tried. I did a lot of stuff. It didn't work out. Then I learned and I started. And then the story of mine ended because then the story of Dreamflexion started from there. So in 2012-13, a new hope came up. I got a mentor, Travis Greenlee, and I also started working really hard, my ass off, to make sure that I try everything I can. I learned a lot of stuff. Thanks to YouTube, I learned a lot of stuff. Okay, I didn't give up. I learned WordPress. I got a project and I said I can do WordPress because I'm doing it for the last 2-3 years. But that was not the case because I was just trying to search the Google what is WordPress is all about. So it worked out. When you have a need, okay, dire need, you're losing out, then only you'll get the energy to do something. If you have a family background, you're getting good money, okay, and you have a very good family, good friends, and you're enjoying that thing, you won't feel the need of what we had at that time. I was just got married, I had no job, I left the job which was giving me good pay, and I started something which I was not sure of, I was not trained of. Okay, so the dire need of that struggle forced me that you can do something. And you can learn anything you want because YouTube is there. That's the best teacher you can ever have. So it really worked out. I learned. I fixed the bug which was there. It was a very simple bug. It got fixed thanks to YouTube again and Google. So it started. Okay. And the good thing about me was I was very introvert person. I didn't used to talk to people very easily, especially girls. That's the reason there were 19 cases, but all happened between my head only. I never proposed to anyone, and I don't think I could have proposed Kajal also, but thank God I proposed and got married. So things started really well. I started alone. Then Vikash came in. Vikash, my cousin, he just completed his graduation and he helped me out really well. And then Devesh also joined me up. Okay, and we started really fast. From just a team of 2 or 3 people, we had around 23 people at single night. Okay, we had no laptop. We had a very small office. We had only 300 square feet office. We were trying to fit 23 people, and we did that. Okay, there were a lot of funny experiences in that, but we did that. But again, we made a mistake. What we made mistake? We didn't understand, how many people do we want. We didn't do our homework. Whenever you don't do your homework, you make mistake. And that's the learning I had after making, after spending around 2-3 years in that. But it was good. The money was coming in. The client was paying the entire money. I don't have to pay anything from my pocket, but I was doing the same mistake which I did on the first of my career when I earned 1 lakh rupees and I gave away 90,000 rupees to the people. So it happened the same way. I was earning around 3 lakh per month, and I had a team whom I was paying around 2,50,000 rupees in total. So it was a mistake. I had no business idea. Okay, I was thinking I can earn 50,000. That's good enough. That's good enough for me. I can pay 10,000 as a rent, 10,000 as my credit card bills, 10,000 extra, and 20,000 enough for me and my wife, to enjoy. But we are not doing this for enjoying. We are doing this as a business, right? So we need to know what our costs are, expenditures are, and we need a guy who knows money. Okay, and I didn't have one. Okay, so I made a very grave mistake. But again, it was a good start. Who cares? You're earning money, okay? The dollars coming in your account. If going away is the same, that's a different case. But it was coming, okay? It was making you feel good, right? And things really went well. The second mistake was I didn't look for any new customers. I didn't. Comfort zone is the worst thing that can happen in your life. Okay? Always remember that. Never go to your comfort zone. The moment you feel that you're in a comfort zone, try to come out. It's a wake-up call for you. So the comfort zone happened for me. I was very happy and satisfied and trying to spend all the money I was earning on things which was not required. Okay? So when the client go away, the client went away in the after 2-3 years because of some reason, I had no other backup. I had a very big team. I was paying really high. The people who are working for last 2 years, I believe, they know how I increase the salary, right? I don't see the timeline. I don't care about the timeline. I just care how hard they are working, and I make sure that they earn a single penny of it. Okay? I had a very bad habit of not getting salaries because of people getting late, or they're taking leave, because I believe they will cover it up. Okay? I believe in people. I don't believe in anything else. If I'm earning 10 rupees also, I'll try to share 8 rupees with them, because that money will somehow will work out. That's the reason we have people who still trust us, and whenever I call them, they are always there to help me out. So things really went well for 2016. Then the sign of failure got started. The minuses, whatever happens in your life, will always come back to you. You can't skip that. So we were in debt. Huge debt. Okay, I thought I was going to make around 1 million in rupees. Not 1 million, I think 10 million. That's 1 crore, right? But I was in minus. I didn't realize that we were in minus. We didn't pay the salary for for almost 3 months to our team members, and they are still working. It happened. It really happened. And it was a great situation. Whatever money savings I had was already spent out. Whatever money I can borrow from bank was already taken. There was nothing left. The jewelry gone. The house which I bought with all our hopes and dreams was about to get sold out. Okay, the thing was almost there. And I was trying to go in those directions which was not necessary. If I was earning 10,000 rupees from somebody, I was trying to focus on that, and I was not thinking of anything else. Then I got a wake-up call one day in the night. What am I doing? Am I doing something wrong? What happens when your system gets down? You restart it, right? When your car doesn't work, you try to restart that thing. Okay? So the wake-up call came to me that I need to restart. I need to start from beginning. I have learned a lot. I have made a lot of mistakes, and the mistakes happen. So there is nothing to be ashamed about it. You should accept your failures, and then only you can plan out things, right? So I accepted my failures. I talked to my team. I told them that you have learned a lot under me, and wherever you will go, you get a great job. And it did happen. You can see Pankaj right here from the same moment. He remembers what happened. When I called everyone and I told them that we don't have any work in and I don't have any money. I'm not paying you for the last 3 months, and I can't keep doing like that. Because I believe you have family and you take care of it. Whatever I can do, I've done. I've tried to, hold off the team, but it didn't work out. So I can give you 1 month extra, but you have to give me some time. All of them gave me time. They promised that they will stay also if required. But I said no, go and look for a job. Because this is the high time you can get a good job. And all of them got a good job because they deserved it. They were well trained people. All of them. Somebody has started their own business now and they have their own team and they're still in touch with me. I give them, my job and they also give me some new job from their end. Pankaj started his own training center and we inaugurated that. And he also has his own small team who's working on social media and doing different jobs. It's not like they started their own business so I have become an enemy of them or they have become an enemy of me. No, it's an open business. Anybody can start, right? So in 2019, I believe, the moment that everybody left out and I was all alone, my friend Devesh came in. I came to know that he's in Delhi because he started with me, but he left because of some family reason. But he came back and he just started. And I said, why don't you join me? So he was skeptical, but he wanted to because what happens, you have a family, you have a wife, you have a daughter, so you have responsibilities. So do I, right? So I told him that wherever you work in marketing, they will only give you money when you give them the business, right? I'm the same. I'm the same, and I'll share the entire money with you. Just be with me, because I need someone. I need someone, who trusts me and who can help me out in, coming back on the on my own leg, right? So he joined, and we were alone. And I told him, just be there, rest I'll take care of. Because I need someone whom I can see in front of me and I can work for my end, right? So he was there, I worked. I started, doing project, I started getting money, and then we had a fund where we can have a team for next 4 months. So we had these 3 gentlemen. No, the guy is not here, but what was his name? Sunil. He is not here. But I had Sunil, I had Vikash, and I had Abhishek. Sunil was on number 1, Vikash was second, and Abhishek was second, and I had Vikash because I didn't, had other guy. I called him, he didn't came, so I had Vikash. But I had some idea, this guy is talented, maybe, he'll do some trick. And he did. I was amazed with their performance. You can't believe how freshers I can work out. The project which Abhishek has done was now being used by Boeing and Toyota. So please, a great round of applause for these 2 gentlemen. Something as well. And it worked out. Within that year itself, I was on minus 98 lakh, debt. By the end of the year, we were just 38, minus 38, which was my home loan, it was on me, right? But we did not get all the money to all the premiums first, with 1 month extra salary, okay? And nobody, chased me out that, the money was due, you'll have to pay, how am I going to survive my family? I'm here right now. And I always try to make sure that I don't have to go alone. I can go with all of them, right? We all can be rich, but we'll have to be very sure that we believe in things, right? We help each other. We don't do it alone, okay? And we work together, and we believe in our dream. The moment we start believing it, we all will grow a lot. So that thing comes, okay? You don't have to cry on that. Okay, you have to have faith on yourself, because the place of our government, okay, there was nothing. जब आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं होता है, तो आप खोलोगे, कुछ भी नहीं खोलोगे, right? पाने के लिए सब कुछ है. तो अगर आपको वापस से स्टार्ट करना पड़े, तो क्या दिक्कत है? स्टार्ट करो ना, क्या दिक्कत है, right? So we fight back. 2018 was a year of fighting back. Okay, we were fighting back. We were giving back to life. That when you say no, we'll start believing yes. That's the quote. He asked me that what quote should I put. Everybody was putting a quote on our old office, and he asked me what quote do you want to put. I said when life says no, start believing in yes. Things will happen. Okay, it doesn't apply on the work of businessman only. It applies everywhere. Okay, I have worked with coaches, 7 8 coaches. Okay, they had a solving story. I have a solving story too, but I don't believe in telling this kind of story. because the story never ends, right? Every day we have a new story to tell, right? So it's a part of life. We don't have to cry about it. We just need to fight it back. Want me to go away consistent. We had clear thoughts now. Okay, we're not hiring new people at the early stage because we want to save some money. And we had better projects. Thank God we had better projects so that we can come and take the challenges. And our team increased a bit. We had another two new members, Sakshi and Yashwardhan. So a round of claps for them. And I thought Sakshi will leave in the second day itself because her father came for the first day. And he must be thinking, that poor guy, that my girl, how she will survive. I had the same thing in my mind, how she will survive. And Devesh said, do we need to hire a girl? I said, why you are discriminating between girl and boy? She's really great. I personally believe in it. Okay? I didn't remember, Sakshi, she was a diploma holder at that time. And she's very young. I didn't remember that. I didn't notice that. I came to know after 1 year. And you're just 20 right now. So age is just a number. You never know when you're going to have the knowledge, when you're going to learn things out. Okay, so don't believe that with the age comes the wisdom. The wisdom can come at a very early stage, and it might happen that you're 50 also, you're still stupid, right? It might happen. So we really fought back, and we really came on our own ground. And we never thought that we're going to have this moment right now. We'll be having so many people. And again, this thing happened because one of my friends called me one day, okay, and he just asked me, how are you doing? I'm doing good. I asked him, how are you doing? He said, I'm doing good too. Then he said that he's having his own, training session, which where he train people and coach people. And he was a very good coach, Whenever he used to talk, he used to send his own dialogue, and I used to say, I own my own dialogue. So like we used to hear kind of cat fight, who is the best? We never said that, but that was the thing, right? I'm the best speaker, and he's the best speaker. So it happened. We used to motivate each other, right? He used to praise me, and I used to praise him. That was scenario. So just while having the conversation, he said that the guy from old team just called him up and told him that like why don't you give him the lead, and things started like that, and we never knew when we discussed that let's start something by our own as well. If you can't work with him, you can work with me. You praised me, right? Remember? So you can trust me, and he did. Okay, he did, and because of his trust, the motivation came up again. And I thought, why to have 5 people now? My 5 people are already trained. They are well aware of things. Why not start again and increase the team members? Because he told me that I have 19 interns, and I was shocked because I had only 5 guys. Just remember, if 19 people are promoting you, so you must be needing 100 people, right, to do the business, right? So how could I handle the pressure if he will start giving me project? So I hired more people. I went for a new office. Okay, I never planned for that. But I did it. Okay, and for my experience, I learned that I need to have a system before I hire you guys. So we did that too. I know I need to place yours, I will do that. I remember. So yeah, we did that, and I think we are going the right track. Okay, we are having this moment. All of us are here, and the reason I want to have this meeting today to make sure that we know each other. To see how many people are working together. We have 4 gentlemen out there who are working with us and who are going to fulfill our dream. Okay? Because we can perform tasks, we can do that, but we need tasks to perform that, right? We need business. And the business can come only from the marketing team. So we are not like people, who force our marketing team to give us business every time. We just look at them and say that, whoever you bring on the podium, okay, on the business front, we'll make sure that we'll give them 100%. And if we can't, we won't take that money. And we did that with our very first project. The client was not happy, it happens, and we take the money from them. Though we did the entire work for him. So it happens, okay? Shit happens, and you need to be get custom with it. The only thing is that you need to learn your clients, you need to learn the people, you need to have a very good people management. You should trust people and you should mistrust people, both. Okay, you need to find out how you can trust people accordingly. So plan for 2021. ठीक है 2020 हो गया, थोड़ा बहुत कमा लिया, थोड़ा बहुत खर्चा भी कर दिया. We have no penny in our account because हम यहाँ पे आ चुके हैं. We put a lot of money. Right? We have hired these gentlemen also. तो जो थोड़ा बहुत बचा था उन्होंने ले लिया हमसे. ठीक है. So what next? ठीक है. What next? Are we going to survive the way we are doing right now? कमाया, खाया, उड़ाया? No. We should grow. ठीक है. Grow?
Grow, yeah.
Yes, grow. Good. So that's the plan I have. Okay. I never check how much I'm earning. I always check how much I'm spending. Okay. So when I check, I earn a lot. I really earn a lot. If somebody will ask me where the money has gone, I have no idea. Honestly, I have no clue. ठीक है. मैंने खर्चा भी नहीं किया, promise. ठीक है. But I had no clue. But now we are going to be very strict with our finances. We are going to use money on training and development and make sure that we invest the money in right things. That's our plan. We have till date the last highest earning was around 60 lakh for the entire year. But this year, last year we did 80 lakh. Okay. And this year, by the end of March 31st, we are going to cross 1 crore. So that's a big milestone. That's a very, very big milestone. So the plan for 2021 and 2022 is to make sure that we should earn 5 crore. Okay, the turnover should be 5 crore. Remember the number? Any other number? We have handled around 115 projects this year till date. Okay, 115 new projects and the old projects too. We need to do this around 1,000 projects next year. That's our target. I know it's a very big number. I think I made 0 by mistake. It should be 100. Not 1,000. Okay, I can't have that. I can't make that mistake. So it should be 100 plus. Okay, we can go to 1,000, but we will start with 100 plus. I don't spend all the money on team members only. So yeah, but we have that plan. We want to do this thing, and we want to move ahead and hire people and increase this thing. But how we can hire people? Just randomly? No. The first job is to make sure that I train these 2 guys, they train those 2 guys, and these 4 people have trained you. It's just 2 months, I believe, 2.5 months, but you have learned and understand what the core value we have. We are not like now. From this moment onwards, I'm making a new rule for our company. Nobody will be called sir. If they will call sir to anyone, they will be fired that moment itself. So remember, nobody is calling anyone sir. Nobody is calling from their name or Mr. something like that. My name is Manish and I'm happy to be Manish. I don't want to be Mr. Manish. I don't want to be Manish sir. I don't want to be sir. Call me by my name because that's how family were calling me. Right? So do that. Remember, if somebody is calling sir or trying to respect somebody by name, he will be fired or she will be fired that moment itself. If you want, why do that? When we can launch something of our own as well. We have got time. We know languages. Okay? And we can build multiple things through our languages, right, which we know. It's not like, you can only build site to WordPress, we stick to that, no. There are many people who always told me, they want to do something different in the market, and they are doing it right now. Okay, if he can build a project which can go to Boeing, why can't we build a project for ourselves, right? If Vikas can build a project, Shopify app, without having a single idea, then why can't we do ourselves? One is already almost completed, we need to give it a calendar, just like Calendly, or schedule ones or something like that. We are launching our own calendar, and the date we are launching is 14th of January. I have no idea how we are going to launch it. I never thought of the date. I just told you. And I think if the boss says and give you a date, right? So क्या जाता है? By February, we will be launching 2 Shopify apps, okay? And by March, we will be launching 2 WordPress plugins. No, it's not like that. I believe and I can, count on that. Every team member is going to help you out. They will. Okay, they will give you everything and they'll make sure that you don't feel alone and you're working really hard. Okay, they will help you out accordingly. Okay, तुमने काफी अच्छा कोई knowledge दिया है और अच्छा knowledge दो, ठीक है? बाकी की तो नहीं है. So I can plan for January, February and March, not more than that. That would be too much. over planning is also bad, you know. Okay? It happened. So I'm really happy. So let's focus on the first 3 months. Okay? Let's focus on the first 3 months and then see where we stand. If you launch more than 2 plus digital products, that's a different story. If you launch more than 2 plus Shopify app, that's a different story. But I think in this 3 months, if we do it together, all of us will be highly trained in this thing, right? And then, you know, every single person out here whom I can see, they can launch their own stuff. So you don't have to tell me what you want to do, okay? I don't have to tell you what you want to do, okay? What you should do, sorry. I'm telling my, you know, upcoming talents upfront. So, I'm not going to tell you, okay? It's something you are going to tell me what you want to do, okay? So let's see what happens. And April onwards, as I told you, you will tell me that, boss, I know this thing I can launch. You can count on me and I can launch it out within 1 month or 15 months. All I need is 2 people. They say, oh, just give me 2 guys and I'll win Pakistan, right? So we will talk like that. And it's not Abhishek or Vikas who will come forward. It could be Pankaj, it could be, you know, Vishal, it could be Atri, it could be Sachin. And I believe our beautiful ladies, they will also come up and they will, you know, give a very tough challenge to all the guys. Okay? I believe all of you are really wonderful and doing a great job and you're doing much better than the guys. Okay? So thank you so much. A round of applause for us. No one can define and accept you, okay, what your role are. So you'll have to find your own role. The best I can do is give you salary, right? And increase it the way you are working, right? That is the best I can do. It's up to you to raise your bar. It's not up to me. Okay? I can give you a platform which I've given, right? It's up to you to raise your bar, move ahead, go ahead in the life. If you feel that you're not doing well because of some reason, come to us, we'll help you out. Nobody has seen much failure than I have seen. Okay? So I can share something with you. Right? So please believe in yourself. Everybody can do it. Okay? Whether you're fresh, okay, whether you are a very talented guy, you can go to moon. You just try, right? It's up to you to dream high. It's not my dream. I can't dream for you. I can dream for mine. I can dream for, you know, Ferrari. I can't dream for you, right? I don't know what you're dreaming, right? It could be a woman, it could be a guy, okay? It could be a big house, it could be a good future for your family, okay? So it's all up to you. And everything comes up from where? It comes up from a very good positive attitude, okay? And having a positive vibe and have positive, you know, thinking about the future in your life. So think about it that way. It doesn't matter you work for our company or you work anywhere. Just have that positivity around you, okay? And it will, you know, keep you afloat in all the difficult situations in your life. And whenever you need any help, we are here. It doesn't matter we are working together or not, but we'll be always a family. Once the guy becomes a member of our company, he becomes a family member. It doesn't matter where he lives, we'll be always there. All of us will be there to support you. I have 2 more slides. It's up to you to take the next step, push your fear aside and show the resilience to get to the success. Remember guys, failure is just a delay. Okay, it's not the end, it's just a delay. Okay? So if you see the failure anywhere in your life, it doesn't matter if it's a job or, you know, personal life, it's just a delay. It's a bad time which will just go away. Okay? So don't take stress. It won't earn you anything. Nothing will be permanent, neither your failure nor your success. That's true. Nothing will be permanent. Okay? We can be here next year, you know, with 100 people, we can here be next year again 4-5 people only. Okay? It might happen. Okay? It was always said that, you know, work for the best, but be prepared for the rest. That's it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.